is what it is. Okay. Oh, okay, I see. My video, it always stop at 33 and then start a new video. That's crazy. Anyway, Mars is in Capricorn, right? On the at the Libra degree. Okay, Libra is my yacht. All right. So Mars is what you gonna do. So he's teaching, and he's trying to bring balance. Right? I mean, am I right or wrong? Go watch the brother channel. You'll see what I'm talking about. Jupiter is 20 degrees Taurus. Okay, so that's the Capricorn degree, right? And Taurus is sextile. I mean trine, excuse me, with Capricorn because it's Earth energy, and that's why I got them color coded. See, so you can see it better, pop out at you better, and you can look at your signs within your signs and say, he don't have much water over here. He only got 2 signs in water, but he got 5 sub signs in water. So it balances out, and I'll show you that over here. Okay, so Jupiter is expansion. Expansion is in what if you go look, like I say, you look at the brother swole. Taurus is the bull. The strong bull. Taurus is really another form of Mayat too. That's why it has the 2 horns. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, Saturn is in Leo, like I said, exact opposite from his sun in what? The Capricorn degree. Saturn rules Capricorn. Okay? And then his sun is in what? The Cancer degree. So you see the opposite. Okay? That is divinity. He wouldn't know that about himself if he wouldn't know the chart. You see? Y'all's like this too. Everybody's just like this. He ain't special. No offense, my brother. He is special because, you know what I'm saying, he out here teaching, like, you know what I mean, and giving good information and good understanding, good wisdom, because that's Aquarius. It's wisdom, man. Any fixed sign is wisdom. All right. Okay, so Uranus is a Scorpio, Pisces degree. Look at that. Okay, I already said that. Neptune is a Sagittarius in the Gemini degree. All right. That's knowledge, information. You see what I'm saying? What fuels his perspective is information. Pluto is in Libra in the Pisces degree. Come on. Chiron, Pisces degree. And then Leo degree for his North Node. Alright? So, proud in relationships, but within itself as well. So just like it was saying, balancing self and others' relationships. Let's see. Alright, so you see the divinity. I mean, I hope you see the divinity. I hope he do. If y'all don't, I hope he do. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I know he do, cause he know ain't no such thing as coincidence. Stuff wouldn't line up like that. Now I added all the planets in each element, right, to come up with a total, and I did the same for the sub signs. So you see where you heavy at. You heavy in water. You heavy in fire. You see he ain't got that much water, like I was saying. He only got 2 planets in water, but he got 4 planets in fire, right? But check it out. In his sub sign, like I said, he got 5 sub signs in water. Now, I count these as half. If you look up here, let me see. You look up here, yeah, I got the formula. See, it's this plus half of that equal that. So 4 plus 1.5 equal. Just to give you kind of a gauge on where you at, and see he pretty balanced. And that's why he's able to teach like he is. But he got a lot of fire though. You see? And just watch his videos, you'll see the fire. Fire is knowledge. Alright? Fire is knowing. Fire is manifesting. Air is more knowledge. So now these next returns to sum it up. I got the planet. Oh, real quick, I got the planets in the cardinal signs, the fixed signs, mutable signs. You see, he only got 1 planet in a mutable sign. So, he with him being a fixed sun sign, he can be kind of stubborn in a sense. Just because he don't have that many signs, he not that not much of a mutable person. He ain't got that many mutable planets and signs. You see, just more of a fixed individual in his chart. You know what I mean? So you can see that real quick. He got a lot of cards. So he ain't afraid to start no shit. I remember he told me he moved down here from I can't remember where exactly, bro. But he moved down to Texas with nothing and came up. You know what I'm saying? That's what that is. All them planets. You got 7 planets in the cardinal signs. Well, North Node and Chiron ain't really planets, but hell, if you want to get technical, we ain't gonna go there. Anyway, the sun. I got the last return, next return. Now, this is the last time the sun was 13 degrees Aquarius. Obviously, it was around his birthday. I think his birthday may be the 3rd. I'm not sure, but I mean, it's on here. Should I? Might as well make sure so you can see. Yeah, his birthday is the second. His birthday is the second. Okay. So, because sometimes the degree may come up a little bit earlier than your birthday or a little bit after. But anyway, and his next one will be his next birthday, obviously. All right. Now, the moon go through the sign, go through the zodiac every month, every 28 days. So his last return was June 15th, which, yeah, his next return is in 4 days. It's, July 12th. That's when Cancer will be, that's when the moon will be 21 degrees Cancer. It's called a lunar return, so moon birthday, all right? His next Mercury return will be, damn, I messed that up. This must be 2019. I accidentally put 18, my bad. I'll make sure I had that right whenever I do y'all charts and y'all give me y'all money. I'll make sure I get stuff right, but I just did this like a minute ago. But anyway, so that's 19. So January 17th, 2019 will be the next time Mercury is 18 degrees Capricorn. The last time was January 24th this year. Okay, the last time Venus was on his Venus was March 6, 18. The next time would be 4/20, 19. You get the gist, right? The last time hit the Mars in the sky was 24 degrees Capricorn was May 2nd, 2018. The next time ain't gonna be until March 22nd. So you start to see you can look to the future, and more importantly though, you can look to the past, because once you know these degrees, all you got to do is go to a site and put in a date and get the chart for that date, and you'll see where the degrees are, and you can compare and contrast with your chart. You see what I'm saying? Like, you'll go back to, or you'll sit back and say, the last time the moon was on my moon, last time I had my moon return was June 15th. You know, what happened around that time? If that's too far away for you, like a month ago, you can't really remember what the hell happened a month ago like that. I understand. It's happening again in 4 days. So in 4 days, when it's happening, you just start seeing what's going on. Just look, what are you thinking? How are you feeling? What popped into your head? You see all that type of stuff. And with the moon is the trigger that you use to study them all, because the moon gonna go past your Mercury every month. It's gonna go past your Venus every month. It's gonna go past your Mars every month. It's gonna go past your Jupiter, etc. When these things happen, you see what's going on in your life, and you'll see how your energies operate. You'll see whatever's going on in your life, the moon is bringing that out, because like we know, your mind, your subconscious creates your reality. Okay, that's the quantum physics you have to understand if you really want to know. But if you don't need to really want to know all that for, those others, because I know Brother Jamal already know what's up, but those others, you don't need to know all that. You can still just pay attention to the numbers. You don't even necessarily need to know how it works if you don't want to. You could just see how it affects you. Okay, and you can do that with these numbers. So when you know what degree your planets are on, you will look at the moon and see when it's gonna hit those degrees. When it does, you can put a little note in your phone. Okay, on July 12th. All right, for the brother, the moon, I'm gonna have a lunar return. That's my personal moon birthday for this month. What's going on in my life, what's coming up in my mind. That may be a time you want to just sit down and meditate, see what comes to you. You see, if you're on that level, you may want to forget about it and then wait till the 13th and then see what happened the day before. And then you say, oh, okay, so when my moon came back, blah, 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 blah. You see what I'm saying? This is how you study yourself. You see? So I did the same thing for the houses. I ain't going to go through them too much, but basically your houses, this is your ascendant. Okay, his ascendant is Sagittarius. His ascendant is on his Neptune. And I went in about his Neptune about something I can't even remember. Oh yeah, because I said it was in his first house, because his ascendant is on it. Well, anyway, Excuse me. Yeah. Same thing here. The degree. You analyze it from that perspective. Excuse me. Talking for 30 minutes, you know. And let me just show you an example of one I did for somebody else. Now this brother, I gave him my, you know what I'm saying. Hold on, let me get it. I had to pull it up. So this is I took off his name, but this is a brother who hit me, was like, I want to read, and I told him, do a video. I asked for $2 a minute for a donation, and however long you want the video, you pay that amount, and then you get my interpretation, whatever, and I do a chart for you. Brother came back and said, man, look, I'm gonna give you $100. Is that cool? He said, man, if your video 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I know it'll be good. I said, shit, yeah. So, I went in for him. I gave him a chart and I gave him some numerology as well. You know what I'm saying? I know a little numerology as well. You feel me? I study it. And I did his a little bit differently with that and that, but pretty much same thing. Subsigns. And you see it's on a PDF. You don't need Excel. You can look at it straight from his phone. I do that for him, and then for him, I gave him a printout of some stuff he can read. Stuff I got offline. Some of it I typed up from the astrology dictionary. What is that? That's right there. Astrology dictionary. Typed up some stuff from there. Give him some stuff he can read. You see, and I gave him some links. Let me show you. And I gave him some links he can go look up. Something specifically I seen that he might want to just go look into. You know what I mean? So that's how I do it. I'm gonna give you something for you. I'm gonna give you a packet you can go study for yourself. Stuff you can take with you and stuff you can use. You ain't gonna just watch my video once and then say, oh, that's cool, and then, you know what I'm saying, go on about your regular everyday life. Now you gonna keep going. Like, the point is for you to notice for yourself, so you don't need to watch nobody videos, or maybe just watch interpretations of energies from other people's, you know what I'm saying, Mercury and Capricorn, Venus and whatever, just to gain more knowledge for yourself, about yourself. You see? So I don't know if I said, but these are the houses that the planets are in. So you can simply Google Saturn in 8th house, Jupiter in 5th house, etc., etc. So peace and love. I hope I explained everything pretty well. If I didn't, leave a comment. Let me know what I messed up on, and I will try to correct it later. Peace. Take it easy.